Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Use What News. Today I will show you how to remove a background using Photoshop. Open Photoshop, then click File and click Open. Select Picture, then click Open. We want to remove this white background. First select magic wand tool, then click here and then press delete. You can see background is transparent. There have no background. There have no background. So we can see another picture. Drag and drop this picture in Photoshop, then select a magic wand tool and click this picture's background and press shift, then click here select all background using shift, then press delete. So the delete does not work. You can do this. Press Ctrl N, then background contents must be transparent, then create a new page, drag this peak and drop this layer, then use magic wand tool and select this background. Using shift you can select all backgrounds. Then press delete. Okay, select share and rasterize layer, then click delete all background. Deleted. There have no background. So you can easily remove any picture's background using Photoshop. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.